Hello, folks. Unfortunate that yesterday's video couldn't get posted, so I'm going to do a recap and where we stand from the perspective. So what I was mentioning that 50 MA, we have, every time we went down, we are not holding underneath that. Just one day, that's the worst case happened, and that's what I was mentioning yesterday video. Unfortunately, couldn't get posted. Also, kind of pointing to the RSI, which is kind of the bottom here, kind of bottom here almost. So the bounce was kind of expected. How far we are going to go, now the question. And so that I expect RSI to go and touch this line and maybe, we come back and stay in the sideways. Or, if we come down, we can go down, or depending on which direction it wants to take. Right now, I'm still bullish in the market, but I'm expecting definitely a pullback. Where do you see a pullback is, this area. What is, you can say, that should be a good long entry around 418.6. That is my opinion. Of course, market has its own mind, can do its own things. But one thing which I don't like overall, which is it's the moving average kind of curling down, but this is still kind of sloping a little bit, flattening out. 50 is also flattening out. So, it may not be, big move. So it can do this or it can do this. I am in the bull camp right now, so I will expect this. If it does not happen, we go underneath 418.6, we are going to come back and test this 415.66, which is one of the key levels for tomorrow or day after. So that's my thought on the SPY. Let's go on the Qs. And the Q is still inside the wedge. It can fall off the cliff tomorrow, and we can be there. But right now, we are still in this zone. We can break this trend and say, oh, we are super bullish market. It can still do kind of sideways things, but it can really go berserk. And I'm in the bull camp right now. The price is 344.50. Over that, we are going to go to the next level about 349. So that'll be my target for end of the week. Not going to say more than that because anything can happen, but it will be 349 to 340 range for the week. Lines are pretty self-explanatory where you see we are at 20 MA and bounce. We tested that. We are here, right here. So this band is going to be acting as support unless we break below this. You can start thinking bearish. So below that, 339.40, you can expect 335, 334.80 area to see. But over this, as long as whenever it's kind of a pullback, you can try along. Apple. And that is, again, I posted my video, one of the most favorite, and it broke really the resistance. Current resistance means it's going to target 135, and maybe this particular area, maybe 136. 136 will give a pullback, and then it's kind of climb back higher. That's my plan. So if you see, this is how it is right now. It can give a nice little pullback, but which I doubt because 132 is support, so it's going to probably break tomorrow. So it's going higher. Next is Microsoft, which another bull case, but now it's kind of going to be a question that if the cup and handle is going to play out, we go past 262.93, our fib level. We are going to try 268.83, but it might consolidate a little bit in here. So that is what I'm kind of thinking. Also, the RSI is going to act as resistance here at 65. So might be, another, up and down and then boom up higher. Next one, The docu, which I was kind of talking about yesterday, but my video didn't get through, and I really apologize for it. Now, if you see, we are breaking this, so that means it's going to do a moonshot to the next fib level. And when you're looking at the next fib level, where are we going? That's a big question. And by when? That's another question. And to look at it, these two questions, to answer that, we have to go with the fib timings. So 271 is kind of a resistance for now. Break past that, we are going to 292. Uh, when? That's another question which we'll have to look at. And if you're going to see what you're going to see, this bottom to, okay, that didn't work. So I am going to look at it, the last bottom before and this top. So this was a double top. So we should see 292 by July 2nd, is what I'm going to say. Right now it's super bull zone. If it comes around to 59 area, which can do a gap fill, is even more bullish case on the docu. Twitter, which I didn't analyze yesterday, but anyway, video was not there. So, we shouldn't be complaining about Twitter, play, but yeah, complaining about my video, yes, you can, because yeah, that was a miss. So this is a gap, and we are over 50 MA. All the moving average are curling up. So definitely it's targeting 65. So sorry for so we are kind of targeting this 65 very soon, what I see. And after that, we'll analyze further. So that is on the Twitter. Um, next is what was on my plan. I'm not going to look at it because I can make an entry on the wish, which was kind of the great play. Um, Amazon, which is another bull case. We had a nicer pullback. Now we are going to scream higher on the Amazon. And Amazon target, I'm pretty much looking around 3,800 in a week or two max. So yeah, you're going to look around 3,770 on the Amazon in by next Friday, if not earlier. So that's my view. Just trying to do a recap and updated because the last video was missing. Just it was a sound. So with that, I take a leave and thank you. Have a wonderful trading day and week ahead. Thanks. Bye bye.